When did we get the salsa?
Yeah, we need salsa.
They don't have it, so that's why I get it at Kroger. Huh?
Get it at Kroger?
Yes.
Yes. So guys, y'all know it is October. Actually, what is it? Is it October 1st? Oh my gosh, yes. Goodness, it's October 1st. It's October 1st, and we are shopping for our vegetables, fruit and vegetables. So y'all know we do that every first 3 days of the week, and then the rest of the week we do no meat. We do like salads and veggies and stuff. Yeah. So we're preparing for that. Guys, here is my salad for tonight. This is my dinner, and I am just eating. I think it's like almost 11 o'clock, but I've been pretty busy today, and we just got back home from the grocery store, so I quickly threw all of these things into the bowl. We purchased salad making kits, and I just have like carrots, I think there's broccoli stalk in here, lettuce, cabbage, and some other things too. And then we purchased our own olives. So we have olives here. Then we have guacamole from Whole Foods, and all of this is from Whole Foods. And then I just have some water to drink. How's your salad?
It's okay.
Yeah. Y'all, it's not what we normally eat. This is not like the meal that we normally eat. Y'all know y'all be seeing us with like, you know, food. A piece of food. Yeah, but this is nature's food.
Yeah. And I'm not a big fan of like chopped salads because they're always so finely chopped up.
But I like chopped salads. It's easy, I know for sure, here for us to make them.
Yeah.
But yeah, I like chopped salads, but I definitely like them like with chicken and ranch and.
Yeah, but I won't want that, but
yeah,
the parts are too small, or the pieces are too small. I like more lettuce.
So this is so traditional Christmas. Like, this is the Christmas that me and Kim are used to. Well, when we were kids, because yeah, 90s Christmas. But I mean, like, 90s Christmas is rule for real. Oh, it's over here too. Yeah, it does. You guys, this is my look for the day. I have on some Nikes, like a lavender color, and then I have on my lavender sweatshirt from Zella. I have on my leggings from Target, All in Motion, and then I have on my trench jacket from Target as well. She's too summery. Let me turn over here.
This is Chick-fil-A one.
Oh, they have a Chick-fil-A ornament? Oh, cool.
Chicken sandwich.
Oh, cool. That's cute.
Oh, man. Black Santa. There's lots of them.
Kim said they have Black Santa. Yes, thank you.
That's impressive.
It is.
We didn't get that growing up.
We're in the mall, and we're about to go to Victoria's Secret and yeah, look at some sports bras. Kim has some really cute ones from there, and she's wanting to look at some more.
I'm actually going into Victoria's Secret to look at regular bras because I want to see if I want to change from Lane Bryant to Victoria's Secret. So we'll see. So I'm at Victoria's Secret, and y'all, I cannot believe I've never been in Victoria's Secret bras. That's one thing. And then two, my band size has gone down. Woohoo! That's like a victory. Okay, that's a non-scale victory. I'm so excited about that. But yeah, so this is what it looks like with under my shirt. You really can't tell the difference as far as like compared to what I am wearing today. But yeah, and then my tee and my leggings are from Target, and then I got these shoes from Zara. So yeah, and then I got my jacket from Victoria's Secret.
This your top is $59.35.
Try this place too.
Oh yeah, I definitely want to try this place. They're cute. Yeah, they're very cute.
Very cute.
We like a vibe.
Yeah.
Face glue. Gripping primer. Oh, it's primer.
That's cute. It's like this
Glue bottle.
yeah. Oh, face glue.
You know what? I wanted to try Fenty's lip oil. So I think I'm gonna get this one here. This is the one that Mom got. She said it smells really, really good. And then I'm gonna get I'm probably gonna get the yeah, I'm gonna get the cream. Have you had this orange one?
What is that one? Is that salted caramel?
Oh, you know what? Probably so.
I didn't like that one at all. Christmassy at all.
You think it's fall inspired?
This looks fall. Doesn't it look fall to you?
No, it's giving Christmas in winter wonderland. Now this is nice. Do you like this? No. You don't like this? You don't like this for us? Okay. Oh, that's cute. It's cute, yeah, but it's still not us. We need to go to Ballard.
Yeah, we need to go.
Definitely need to go to Pottery Barn and Ballard.
West Elm, Pottery Barn, West Elm, Ballard.
Yeah.
I think these are the cookies or whatever's that Liz and her mom eats on Kim and Liz. They're always doing challenges. I love their channel. It's so decadent. They're always eating what I can't eat most times.
I bet they're not even good.
Oh, the Biscoff cookies have
No, Biscoff cookies.
They're filled with chocolate.
Nah, I can't. Now, Biscoff cookies are delicious.
Hi, why today?
Y'all, this is becoming almost kind of, sort of, a Vlogmas vlog.
Okay, like we're talking a Vlogmas. I mean,
Christmas stuff, y'all. We used to love an advent calendar when we were kids. We lived in Germany because our dad was stationed in Germany, and they used to get us these, and we used to be like, Mama, can we open it early? Yeah. And she would let us open sometimes. Yeah. So good. Oh my gosh, the memories are flooding in.
Boba Mochi advent calendar.
Where is this?
What do they have in here?
Oh, we ain't doing that one. I like boba, but not like that. Okay, let's get out of this area because it's turning into Christmas.
Well, that's what October brings. So, October really does bring in the holiday.
Yeah. Okay, here we go. Fall. It's boring.
No, they have something for fall too. Don't remember these.
No, not at all.
They didn't have them.
Oh no, nothing about those.
These are cute. These are cute for little soup. For that
sure
pumpkin
is.
soup y'all
Ew.
like.
Oh, now these are cute. Oh, cute.
That's cute. The look of a pumpkin is cute.
What's that? It's just $12.
Oh, that's really cute.
That's nice.
Oh, I wonder if Mom can tell us what to do with that.
Okay. Mama, can you tell us what to do with this? Oh, that's cute too down there. The like almost bronzy type. Oh, that is so nice.
That's cute. And then like with some greenery situation.
Yeah. Right? What's the price point on this one? Oh, it's 14.
Oh, okay.
You want to go ahead and get these? Decorations for fall.
Our fall decorations. We haven't done a tablescape or anything in a long time.
No, we haven't.
We'll do a little something on the coffee table.
Yeah.
That'll be cute.
What kind of thing you needing? Do you remember what that? No.
I might be.
You put it in front of me.
Okay. You want to put in my number?
I don't want this right.
Yeah, that makes sense. Thank you. I was like, do we need to be careful?
Right.
And I'm not going to get something.
Okay, y'all, so I just finished with my shower, washing my face, brushing my teeth, all of that, preparing for bed. Now I'm about to just lotion myself, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Ulta as well, and then we're gonna close out this vlog. I've been telling you guys about Frenchie, or just kind of mentioning Frenchie. So like, this is a very, y'all, it smells so good. It's supposed to put you in a good mood, but we don't go by that, and I'm pretty sure y'all are not like duped over the head to whereas these people can make you feel like, you know, anything that's so-called stamped as mood science can put you in a better mood. Only thing that can do that is lower. The reason why I got it though is because this whole line, y'all, all 4 scents smell so good. A lot of times when I'm going out, even when I go to the gym, I use this. And so I also use it though, like at night, because this is like a 3-in-1 scent. Or like lotion, body mist. The body mist for sure is 3-in-1. This ain't 3-in-1. But the body mist is 3-in-1, which is up there on my dresser. But it's used for a bed linen spray. I use it for my linens. It's used for a hairspray. Don't use those types of hairsprays unless I have a sew-in. And then it's also used as a body mist. And of course I use it for my body mist. So this is like about the amount that I use for when I'm getting ready to go to bed. And I've already lotioned myself, as you can see, with the Nivea. So I lotioned my hands with the Nivea, and I'm just gonna go in with this lotion with the Frenchie, just for like a nice scent. Even for bed, I like to, you know, spray like at least a good 3 or 4 spritz of like body mist, because I want to smell good even at like when it's time for bed. Today was a pretty good day. We got up, read our word, we prayed, and we went to get our hands and feet done. I woke up feeling pretty good actually. I wasn't tripping or nothing like that. You know how sometimes you can be like, you know, feeling, you know, kind of down about certain things or whatever, I thank God that, you know, he is truly teaching me to like chill out with all the complaining and, you know, being ungrateful, because a lot of times that's the reason why, you know, we're complaining. That's the reason why we're doing a lot of comparing. And I have had to catch myself and, you know, stop with the comparing and the complaining. He's definitely teaching me how to do that. So waking up this morning was, I wasn't tripping. You know, I was good. I wasn't in a little funk or anything like that. I was actually pretty good. So thank God for that. This is Ulta Beauty's beauty collection. They have makeup and some lip oils and, you know, other lip colors and things like that. And so this is the peach lip oil, and these lip oils are infused with juice. I saw this, I was like, okay, you know what? I think I'm gonna try this, because I've tried e.l.f.'s lip oil. Actually, it's like a tinted lip oil, the e.l.f. one. It's their rose colored one, and I really love it. I got this one because it says that it smells like peaches, y'all. I'm a kid. Like, this is the reason why I would have gotten lip gloss as a kid, but okay. 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 Alright. So I love this stuff, y'all. I have the light pink one. I never know the names of them, but I have the light pink one, and then I just got this one. I've had the dark, like orangey coral colored jar of this, but yeah, I wanted to go back to this one because this one really smells good too. Okay, so y'all, I got this because my mom says it smells really, really good. She had to go and get her hair care products from Ulta, and so she wanted to get some of this, and so she saw the blue one, and she was like, that, you know, it smells really good. Oh, nice. Now, she said that it's more of a spring scent. But you know, I feel like this is musky and it's warm. I would say that this would be good for fall. Now, we wear what we wear when we want to wear it, how we want to wear it. But because I've been looking for fall scents, but this is very nice. I love it. It's very warm, very musky. I love this. It smells good. Nice and sweet. Okay, y'all, so that is what I got. Those products, the Sol de Janeiro products and the lip oil. And yeah, we want to thank you guys so much for tuning in to our Vlogtober. We love y'all so much. Thank you. Do not forget that we will be going live doing giveaways with Jolie Noire merch. And if you know anything about Jolie Noire doing any lives, you know that we love giving away product. We ask our questions based off of things concerning our brand or concerning me and Kim. So if you want to get them right, go and research or, you know, look at videos or whatever. And they be basic questions. So really, like, you can guess off the top of your head, whatever it is, you know. We love y'all. Thank you again for watching our Vlogtober. And stay tuned for our next launch too. In order to know everything about us and all the stuff that's about to come up, make sure that you have signed up for our newsletter. It's www.joliexnoire.com. That's where you sign up. And yeah, we love y'all. Peace.